In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to verify your YouTube channel so that you'll be able to use customized thumbnails and also, excuse me, and also be able to do other things. Because this was one of the problems I really faced, and this thing really motivated me. I couldn't add customized thumbnails to my videos for months, and I was very demotivated. I had to stop creating videos because what is the point of creating videos that I cannot add thumbnails to? The videos will not make sense. I kept on trying to verify my channel, but it keeps rejecting my number. I keep getting things like this and all that. So, and I even spoke with my friend. He said that he doesn't know what the problem is. I searched everywhere on YouTube. I couldn't find solution to my problem until I decided to do something. I decided to try different phone number from a different network. That is, I was trying with my Airtel and Glow number. It did not work. I decided to purchase MTN number to try it out. So when you want to verify your YouTube channel and you're using either Glow network or MTN or Airtel network, just know that it is not going to work because these are the two networks I used. I tried it severally since 2024 and it did not work. So I decided to buy MTN SIM card and it worked out. So if you're having this problem of unable to verify your number, this issue of the YouTube channel rejecting your phone number or telling you unable to send you a code, and you are a Nigerian, just change your phone number, or sorry, get a different SIM, buy MTN SIM card, and it's going to work. And also, if you're in another country and yours is having the same problem, just try using a different kind of network, and you're going to see that you're going to be able to verify your channel, and you're going to be able to be using customized YouTube thumbnails and other things. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment. Thank you for watching my video.